Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this key fob. This is out of a 22 Volkswagen Touareg. And here's what you need. A 2032 battery. You can get these off Amazon. They're just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. And I'm going to be using a little pry bar. Plastic's going to work the best. You can use a guitar pick, anything like that. First thing you want to do is push in this Volkswagen button and pull out the mechanical key. Now this portion right here will be coming up, and it's extremely delicate. So what you want to do is work your way in here and just work your way around. Probably won't be that easy, but just work your way around the side, and you can push right here. Take your old battery out. New battery goes in, positive side facing outward. This just clips in just like that, and replace the mechanical key, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.